We know that going to the dentist is not a favorite on anyone's list, but we all know your smile is important. When you don't take care of your teeth, they get yellow, your gums swell, and your teeth decay. They can crack or even fall out. These issues will make your life harder. Harder to eat, harder to drink, harder to smile. We know going to the dentist can be scary. That's why we use the most safe, gentle, and modern dental technologies available. We offer fast and friendly service to make your visit as fast and enjoyable as possible. Come visit us so we can help you achieve the smile of your dreams, or just get you out of pain. You don't have to live with the pain or discomfort anymore. Call us today.